Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, as you probably are gonna see in the thumbnail, it's an unboxing of a Louis Vuitton bag that I've been wanting. When I started working almost exactly 1 year ago, and with my first check, I was like, I wanna buy a Louis Vuitton because I've never had one. So I went to the store, and the first bag I saw, it was this one in black. I'm like, I'm in love. Yes, I want it, but it was too expensive for me at that time. So I decided to buy something else. So now, a year later, I finally have it. Not in the original color I wanted, because I wanted a black one. This is not black, but I'll tell you more when I open it. But I have the box here, and I'm gonna open it. I'm super excited. I love it. So I have it here. Let me take it out. I have this. I don't know what is it. I don't know what is it, and it's not important right now. Right now, the invoice. Right now, the important is the bag. So here's the bag. Let me open it for you. Oh my God, it's so beautiful. So it's the Louis Vuitton Coussin. I think it's Coussin. It's the PM. There's an MM. Originally, I wanted the MM because I wanted to have like an old everyday bag. So I wanted a big one. But now I decided that I wanted the PM. This is the updated version because I've seen a lot of videos, and the older ones had this longer, and it had like a, I will call it ear, right? It was like longer, and a lot of people were complaining about this, that it was always in the way of when you put the straps. So this new one doesn't have it, like it's stops there, so it's super easy and comfortable to do this. I don't know if the other ones were doing this either. I am not sure, but this is, look at this, beautiful. And then so another thing that changed was the interior. I am not loving that it doesn't open that much. I know the other one that had the zipper all the way to here, it was opening a lot more, and this was opening a lot more, so it was more comfortable to get in and out. This one doesn't open that much, so I'm not loving this, to be honest. Like, I wish it will open a little bit more, but I mean, you win and you lose, right? Because I didn't want the extra material here of the zipper either. So choose which evil do you want. But also the interior is leather, and I think the older version was I don't know if it was suede or it was a different type of material, but it wasn't leather. So this one is leather. And then in the middle compartment, there you see so it comes with the straps. You see the straps there. It comes with this strap, which I love. Honestly, I don't know what's the material, but I love this strap because I want this bag to be kind of like a more sporty bag. So that's why I do love this strap. A lot of people don't like it, but I do love it because it's more informal, and that's what I wanted. I want to wear this with sneakers, to be honest. So that's why I'm loving this strap. Oh, obviously, I'm loving the other strap, which is beautiful. I don't know if you can see, but this has like, is it engraved? Is that how you call it? Sorry, my kid is not in a good mood, so he's screaming. But you see, it's very cold, so you will see the marks there. But oh my god, it's extremely cold because it's cold here in Austin. I don't know in Fahrenheit. I know Celsius, I don't know Fahrenheit, but it's freezing cold. But this is one of the straps which I love because I can also use as a necklace. So okay, I need to show you I mean, I know you probably already saw a lot of videos on how to wear this bag, but I still wanted to show you, and I wanted to show you how this is different from the other one, because everyone was complaining about that, about the extra zipper that they had here. But let me show you first with this one. I'm gonna make it longer because I do want to use it as a crossbody. So you have here, you just put it here, very easy. And then the other side, sorry. So let me show you how it looks. So you can wear it like this. It's very pretty, very comfortable. Again, I'm 5'7", so you can know the length of the strap, or where am I wearing it. So you can use it like this. I want to wear it crossbody, probably a little bit longer. I like it to be a little bit longer, so let me do it a teeny tiny bit longer here. So here's where I like it. Very comfortable. And you can wear this one, you can put it also here, like here in the same space, because it has space for both. And then you give it like an extra pop there. So you can wear it like that. You see how beautiful it is? It's super pretty. And let me put it here like that. So this is like the informal way, and now the formal way will be like this. Like if you wanna take it on a date night, you remove, I'm gonna remove this strap. Then you have it like this. You can wear it like that. You see how beautiful it is? Super beautiful. You can wear it like that too, which I will never do. Like, I don't like to wear my bags like this, to be honest. I don't like it, but I do like it like this for a date night. It's beautiful. Beautiful. So this is kind of like a little bit annoying, but that it doesn't move that much. But it is, I completely, like, I love it, love it. I love this strap. People also get like annoyed that with the strap that they get in the way, and I can definitely see that, to be honest. It is, and especially because this one is so heavy, it's kind of like hard to manipulate. But I'm sorry. But I do love it like this. I think this is how I'm gonna be wearing it the most. Just like that. And crossbody. So yes, this is with the chain. So this is the problem. I think people have, like, they're both so this is not heavy, but this is heavy, so it's kind of like hard to manipulate. And also I did it in the wrong. I didn't clasp it where it should be. So take it out. Okay, so like that. You see, like, this is a problem that you're gonna have to be playing with this chain to make it work with you, because it does get in the way. I don't know if there's easier way to do it, to be honest, but it is kind of annoying. So yeah, you make sure you do it on like the same side. If you have this and this on the left and this on the right, make sure you have this on the same side, because then it's gonna be getting in the way. So you see, so make sure it's in this side. You see, this one is in this side, so make sure you clasp it on the same side, because if you clasp it in this side, then you're gonna have it like that. So make sure you clasp it, like you put it on the same side. But it is extremely, let me take off, because it's a very, very soft leather. Extremely soft. I'm not gonna do a what fits in my bag, because I don't have anything here from my bags. But again, it has 3 compartments. I don't love that you cannot open it as the other one, but I think it's still easy to get in and out stuff. Like, it's pretty easy to grab the stuff. I think that this part does make it smaller, because you cannot, again, I'm gonna repeat this a lot of times, but you cannot open it. So it does feel smaller. It's not smaller, but it does feel like you're taking away this space. But it is very pretty. Again, I like that the interior is leather. I do love it. I was gonna buy it on Fashion File because they're a little bit cheaper on Fashion File right now, but they were the older version, the one that has the extra piece and it doesn't have leather inside. So I really wanted, I saw so many videos of people complaining about this part that I didn't want to be having issues with that and then not liking it. So I just decided to go with the new one. It says this one is made in Italy. And let me tell you, this retails for, the PM retails for $4,700, and then with tax it will be a little bit more than $5,000. But yes, this is it. I'm not gonna make what fits in my bag because I don't have anything here. I just got so excited that I wanted to bring it. I'm probably gonna put Apple Guard just because I'm scared of the color transfer, and I do wear a lot of jeans and I am planning to wear it with jeans. So again, because I want to wear it with sneakers, so I always wear my sneakers with jeans. So let me know if you want me to do like a what fits in the bag or a video later to see how like to show the wear and tear, if it has color transfer or not. But yes, this is my new bag. It's beautiful. I wanted a crossbody in this tone, like not white, but off-white. I don't like white. I don't know why. I think white is way too bright. So this is the perfect color to wear with sneakers for my liking. But yeah, this is it. I love it. Super soft, but it feels durable. It doesn't feel, I have a Valentino that feels extra soft, like super soft, but it also feels very delicate, and it's also white or off-white. But this one feels a little bit thicker and a little bit more sturdy. I don't know if sturdy is the word on leather, but it does feel a little bit less delicate. It's still lambskin, but it feels good. I like it. But thank you guys for watching, and let me know if you have any questions, and I'll see you in my next video.